have little ones.
Yeah, those are a little bit small. Those hermit crabs, but some hermit crabs get very big. Some get quite big.
Yeah, they do.
Yes, they do. Would you want me to get you some more macaroni or a meatball? What? Tell me what. You got your mouth full. Okay, let me see you swallow. Okay.
Right, do you want more macaroni and cheese, or do you want a meatball?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti? I don't think we have spaghetti. We have a meatball. You're a meatball.
You.